Here's a quick guide on how to install PAM. First, you gotta download it from the site itself. You get the link from either in the description of this channel or from the Discord server. Then I'm gonna extract it to a folder. In my case, I'm gonna be using a separate FPARMA folder that I made, and inside that I'm gonna make a PAM folder. Once extracted, just open up the PAM folder, open up the PAM itself, and add the repository link to there. Again, you can get it from the description or from the Discord server. And now you have to select the folder where you want to install the mods themselves. To note, it's going to take around 75 gigabytes of space plus more if you're adding additional options as well. Once that's been added, you can click on the FPA and you can now start downloading. You can see all the 3 different modpacks here. I'm going to be starting with the main modpack. And just hit the download button. It's going to take a moment. I've fast forwarded this a little bit. Once done, I'm also done with core. You need both core and main to play on the Sunday operations. Blended is for usually Saturday or Friday operations when there's like additional mods added that are not part of the main mod packs. As you can see, there's nothing right now at blended. Once that's done, you can try and launch main itself and see if you can get to the server. You can see Steam shows that it's trying to launch the game with parameters. If this is your first time installing it, you will get now an Acre information showing that, hey, there's an Acre plugin for TeamSpeak that needs to be installed and it will probably be successful. If for some reason it doesn't allow you to install it, it might be the fact that TeamSpeak might be open at this moment, so you should close TeamSpeak before launching it. Then it should install the plugin successfully. And from the right in the main menu, you can just click the join button there to connect to the server. Don't mind this is Windows being Windows. And I'm on the server, and that's it. For optional add-ons, click on PAM again and open up the repository. And if you press the gear button under it, you can see the optionals. You can also see any external mods you have or any extra launch parameters that you need. If you want to enable any of these optionals, you just click on the switch to toggle them on. Once you've enabled all the optionals that you want to try out and launch with, you're gonna have to close PAM, relaunch it, and then you'll see that there's an update for it where it will download all the options that you've toggled. And that's it. So thanks for following this guide.